Hi friends, today let's take a look at taking a break from what we regularly make in the kitchen to try out something interesting. So let's go ahead and try the veg au gratin, a simple and easy recipe. With cook?
Anybody can cook.
Subscribe and press the bell icon. Take some water in a vessel and let it boil. Add about half teaspoon salt to this. Now let's add about half a cup chopped potato. About half a cup chopped carrots. Half a cup chopped beans. Half a cup corn. And stir it for a while. Now once the vegetables boil and are cooked well, take it off from the fire. Now keep a vessel on fire and add about half a teaspoon butter, about 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, and stir and mix it till it combines. Now to this, add about 1 cup milk, now stir it up well until it smoothens. And salt according to your taste. Now add about half a teaspoon pepper powder, half a teaspoon garlic paste, and keep stirring it till it thickens. Roughly this is the kind of consistency we should be looking at. Now take this mixture out from the fire and keep it aside. Now for the final round. In a bowl, let's add the boiled vegetables. To this, add the white sauce that we just prepared. For some nice flavoring, you can add some oregano flakes. Add a little bit of garlic powder. And a sprinkle of some paprika powder or chili powder. If you prefer, you could even add some pan roasted garlic slices to this. Now let's top this mixture up with some grated mozzarella cheese. Now again we will slightly add some red chili powder, oregano flakes, garlic powder. Now let's keep this bowl for baking at a preheated oven at 180 degrees for around 5 to 10 minutes. What you will get after that is this. The veg au gratin is ready. For the sides, you could opt for pan toasted bread slices, either with garlic oil or simply add a dollop of butter and enjoy it along with the veg au gratin. Hope you enjoy the dish. And don't forget to stay tuned for more interesting recipes.